Okay, this is the second video of dividing radicals. The first one here, example 3, we're going to rationalize right off the bat. So to get rid of radical 50, I multiply by radical 50. Again, radical 50 times radical 50 is just 50. Now there's a 7 out front, so that's going to be 7 times 50. And then up top I have 6 times 50, which is just 300. So I have some simplifying to do up top, and I can put those two together. So I could break the 300 into 100 times 3, and the bottom, put those together, you get 350. So radical 100, or square root of 100, is 10, so that's going to come out front. Now, it might seem like I'm finished, but 10 over 350 can be reduced. 10 goes into 10 one time, 10 goes into 350 35 times. And then that's completely simplified. Okay, we go down here to example 4. Again, don't be intimidated by 2a squared. To get rid of it, to get rid of that radical, just multiply by the radical. Any radical times itself is just the radicand, which is what's underneath the radical. So that's taken care of in the bottom. Now we just need to combine these. 5 times 2 is 10. A cubed times a squared is a to the 5th. So remember, we add our exponents there. Think about it. We have 3 a's there, 2 a's there, we have 5 altogether. So it may seem like we're finished here, but we can simplify at the top. The 10 is already simplified as much as it can be. But the way we took a to the 5th and simplified it is we wrote that as a to the 4th times a. Now the reason we did that is because a to the 4th is now a perfect square. Okay, and all perfect squares can be brought out front. So the square root of a to the 4th is just a squared. So if this step right here is you're struggling with, go back a few videos and I do a bunch of examples of how to simplify radicals with variables. So the square root of a to the 4th is a squared. 10 and a are left under. I have 2a squared left on the bottom. Now, once I've pulled it out, I can look for things to cancel out. And a squared divided by a squared is just 1. So those cancel each other out. I'm left with radical 10a over 2. That's my answer.